Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new to this channel and you not subscribe, make sure you do want to click on the subscribe button guys, like, share, make your comments and also follow the telegram channel. I will put the link to the telegram channel in the comment section. So guys, once again, click on that subscribe button so you will not miss out on any updates. Now let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the day on our AUD USD, which is AUD USD. We would want to look at the overall trend, which is a full bigger picture trend on AUD USD, and we would want to look at the current trend and as what market is doing currently, and we would want to see what markets will be doing for the day, which is on Wednesday, what markets will most likely react and do. Now, when you take a look at this right here, like I said, we look at the overall trend, the full bigger picture. You would see that this is a downtrend move, a full bigger picture. It is a downtrend move, right? Market is down, it's trending downward. That is the full bigger picture. I think this trend only going to matter for position traders. So if you're a position traders, this movement would only likely matter to you. Or if you're a day trader, you might want to see what market is doing currently. You would want to see the current trend, and you can see that the current trend is an uptrend move. That is it. But when you take a look at the market here, market is strong to the upside buy. So for more than 10 days, we'll be having that bullish move. So you can see it. Day one bullish, day two of bullish, day three of bullish, day four of bullish, day five of bullish, day six of bullish, day seven of bullish, day eight of bullish, and now we are currently day nine. And this day nine, we would also be expecting a bullish move on AUD USD because bullish AUD USD, especially USD pairs, they are now currently on a bullish move because USD is currently dropping. So any pair that is correlating to USD should be giving us that bullish move. So if you are a day trader or you are a swing trader and you've not entered this buy, it will be best you start looking for a buy setup to enter this buy, as markets will most likely continue to go that bullish move. Now let's see on the 4-hour time frame. We can clearly see that this is our 4-hour time frame and this is our current trend. But day traders, this trend matters to you the most. So you can clearly see that market is trending to the upside. So this trend will matter to you. So let's start from here. This is our high, and here is our higher low. This is also our higher high, and here comes the higher low. Markets eventually pushed up and give us higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market has now pushed up and giving us a new higher high, right? So we would be expecting an higher low next, which is a pullback. So once the higher low plays out, which is a pullback, we're expecting another new higher high to be formed, whereby markets will push up again and form a new higher high. But that is if it gives us the pullback. If in case you get see pullback, then expect a new high. But if not, market should likely push up. But personally, with what I have seen, market has pushed up, so it is not the best time for you to just hop in on the buy. I think it will be best you wait for a pullback. That is what I think. You can make your own decision, it's up to you. But I think once you get your pullback, then you can go ahead and hop in. So above all, for swing traders, right, we are still to the upside. So more movement to the upside is still what we are expecting. More updates will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe so you will not miss out on that update.